In this video, I'm going to show you how to use data validation to keep the information in a particular column super consistent across the board, making sure you don't get inconsistent information in there. So I have my data sheet open here in Google Sheets, and in this instance, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use data validation for this column here for the relevancy, which describes the relevancy of these URLs for the strategy that we're working on. So first thing I do is I click on the top of the column, then I go to data, and I go to data validation. And in this case, I'm going to be using list of items. So I just want it to be the specific items that we want to keep track of here. So I really have four possible answers. There's yes, it is relevant, comma, no, it is not relevant, maybe, meaning we need to look into it a little bit further, or the last one I do in all caps so it stands out a little bit, and that is featured. And that basically means that the information the URL features the brand that we're working on. So you can put reject input or show warning. I'm going to put reject input here, and you can even put show validation help text. So if there's a certain value, you could put whatever you want there to kind of help people who are putting the wrong information in. But I'm going to leave that off for now and just put that validation in. And now there's only a handful of answers I can put in. I can't put anything else. I can't put yes with two Y's. It violates the rule. So I can only pick from these features. And this really eliminates user error by making sure there's only select choices that are available to be selected. So that's pretty much how the data validation works, at least in how we use it. There's a lot of different ways it can be used, but that is one of the simplest ways to use it.